In today's tutorial, we're going to revisit one of our previous classes, which was the Graduated Bob. We've already visited this a couple of times, but it's such a great haircut for learning. We're going to add one final twist on it, and this is to get this result in a much more efficient salon time. We've simplified the section pattern firstly. We now just have a horseshoe section, runs equal from recession to recession, isolating the front and top. Then we take a profile section running directly from the crown directly down to the nape. Now, to begin, our first cutting section is going to be on a forward diagonal. Okay, so the forward diagonal section is going to be pulled out 90 degrees from the head shape. So our elevation is coming parallel to the head at this point, not 90 degrees to the wall. Our vertical shape is going to be triangle, which means it's going to be shorter external to longer internal. You may need to check for suitability with hairlines before choosing your vertical shape. Now, we take section 2 in the same way, and we are over directing section 2 to meet section 1. We're cutting it in the same manner. We're following the previous guideline, and we are ensuring that we don't apply too much tension, especially around the nape. But the elevation, if it's pulled too low, we're going to get a very big increase in the length at the top of our section to the length at the bottom. This will probably form a step or give us a stationary sense of our graduation. Okay, so once we've done 4 sections on each side, we're able to just check our balance just by simply pulling out parallel sections and just making sure that we are on the right track. So, Now we've got the equal amount of sections done, we're able just to go through and check again. I really strongly advise this even on the salon floor. I just feel it really helps you to really enhance, develop, and really build your technique with this shape. And ultimately that will increase your speed of working with a client. What you can see here now is that the elevation, which is the movement of the hair going up and down, is really contributing the most out of all of our mechanics right now to build our shape going from top to bottom. So be very mindful of how low or how high you are pulling the section, and cross-check regular to make sure you're happy with your progress. So now we can really take stock of our shape, and we can see we've got a beautiful seamless weight line, which is synonymous with a graduated bob shape. We're working higher at the back, getting to longer at the front. So now we're going to keep taking these sections in exactly the same way. We're going to utilize the elevation up and down to build the length. We're going to be mindful of the over direction, as we don't want to creep forward and go too short, or over direct back into the middle and get too much length. So where do we go from there? Well, we're going to release all the top section, and we're going to essentially take parallel sections which are parallel to our horizontal shape underneath. So we're going to still maintain our horseshoe section or our delta section, whichever you've chosen, but the section essentially will just be getting smaller. So what we've just taken is our new cutting section, but what we're going to do differently is we're going to use the wide side of our comb now. The reason is I always find the hair growth patterns above the round of the head require less tension. We really hope you've enjoyed this BB Education cutter tutorial. We hope you use this on the salon floor to help you increase your speed, accuracy and understanding. Again, thank you for your time, and we hope to see you again soon.